Hi, friends. We are going to talk about word problems, the things we do to solve them, okay? So, word problems are addition or subtraction stories. So, how we solve them, we do them by 5 steps, okay? We read the problem, we circle the important numbers, we underline the important words, we draw pictures, or use a strategy, and then we solve our equation. Here are some important words in all together, combined, for addition, total, more, subtracted. Oh, sorry. It was lot, fewer, minus, less, or take away. So we're going to go to our word problems and we're going to solve them. So the first one says Sammy the giraffe has 5 spots. Timmy the giraffe has 6 spots. How many spots are there in total? So we did the first thing, we read it, right? Now we're gonna circle the important numbers. I don't there we go. So I'm gonna circle the 5 and I'm gonna circle the 6, okay? So I'm going to circle my important numbers. Then I'm going to underline my important words. Sammy the giraffe has 5 spots. Timmy the giraffe has 6 spots. How many spots are there in total? Well, if we look back at our right here, our important words to underline, I've in all combined all together total or more. So this is total. So I'm going to underline total. Again, it's an addition problem. So that shows that it's my addition problem. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a strategy to solve this. So I think I am going to draw a number line. So I'm going to give myself some room and I'm going to draw a number line, okay? So I'm going to do 1. All right, so I have my number line here. And so I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to look at my problem again. Sammy the giraffe has 5 spots. Timmy the giraffe has 6 spots. How many spots are there in total? Well, I'm going to start with my bigger number. I'm going to draw my dot on 6, right? And then, because we start at the bigger number, and then it says to go up 5. So I'm going to go over 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I jumped 5 times. I'm going to circle the 11. And then it's not just 11, right? It's 11 spots. So what I'm going to write here are 11 spots. Okay. So let's go to the next problem and try to solve that one together. This one says Jim had 8 cookies. We gave him 4 more. How many cookies does Jim have in total? So I did the first step. It was read the problem. The second step is to circle the important numbers. So let's see, what are these important numbers here? Jim had 8 cookies. We gave him 4 more. So I'm circling the important cookies or the important numbers. How many cookies does Jim have in total? So again, here's my important word that I need to underline for step 3. Now, step 4 is my strategy. I think what I'm going to do now for this one is I'm going to do a tens frame. All right, now that I have my tens frames out, it says Jim had 8 cookies. Lee gave him 4 more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 8 as my starting number, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my next number is Lee's number, correct? Lee gave him 4. So I'm going to change my colors. And I'm going to do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we know a full one is 10. So 10 plus 2 more equals 12. Okay. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So he doesn't have 12. He has 12 cookies, right? There we go. So his 12 cookies. All right, your turn. For the next one, you do all 5 steps, read the problem, circle the important numbers, underline the important words, do a strategy, and then solve the problem. So Tom had 13 cars. Jen gave him 3 more. How many cars has he got now? All right. All right, friends. I can't wait to see you solve this problem by yourselves. Bye, friends.